Have you ever wondered why some people are still hiking, gardening, traveling, and playing with their grandchildren well into their 90s and even past 100? What if I told you that one small island in Japan has some of the highest concentrations of healthy centenarians in the world? It's called Okinawa. While there's no magic food that guarantees a long life, the Okinawan lifestyle offers some valuable lessons that can help us all live a healthier lifestyle, reduce inflammation, move better, and hopefully enjoy a more active, pain-free life after 40. Today I'm going to share what makes the Okinawan diet so unique, foods that they regularly eat, and how you can apply these principles right here at home. Okinawa is one of the world's 5 blue zones. Now these are regions where people tend to live longer and remain healthier than average. Researchers have studied these communities for years. They found that longevity isn't just about genetics. Instead, it's a combination of daily movement, strong family and social relationships, having a sense of purpose, managing stress, and eating mostly whole, minimal processed foods. As a chiropractor, I see patients every day who want to stay active as they get older. Most people don't necessarily want to live to 100, they want to feel good while getting there. They want to travel without back pain, play with their grandkids, exercise, garden, and golf. Simply enjoy life without constantly hurting. The Okinawan lifestyle gives us some practical ideas that can help us do exactly that. Let's start with what they eat. The biggest surprise is that traditional Okinawans don't eat large amounts of white rice. Their primary carbohydrate is actually purple sweet potatoes. Now these are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in the body. Fiber also controls blood sugar, supports gut health, and keeps you feeling full longer. Next is bitter melon, also called Goya. It's probably Okinawa's signature vegetable. While it's definitely an acquired taste, it's loaded with vitamin C, plant compounds that may help support healthy blood sugar levels. Another staple is tofu. Not the highly processed foods many of us think of, but firm island tofu that's rich in plant protein and calcium. As we know, protein becomes increasingly important after the age of 40 because we naturally lose muscle mass as we age. Maintaining muscle helps support your joints and helps you live a longer life. Seaweed is another food that shows up almost daily. Varieties like matsuku and sea grapes provide minerals such as iodine, magnesium, and calcium, nutrients that many Americans don't get enough of. Turmeric is also commonly used in Okinawa cooking and tea. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been studied for anti-inflammatory properties. While turmeric isn't a cure for pain, incorporating into a healthy diet may help support your body's normal inflammatory response. Fish is another regular part of the Okinawan diet. It provides high-quality protein and omega-3 fats, which supports heart health and may also reduce inflammation throughout your body. You start to notice a pattern. These foods aren't highly processed. They're real foods. Lots of vegetables, beans, soy, fish, very little added sugar, very little processed food. Traditional Okinawans consume very little fast food, very few sugary drinks, and very little processed snack food. Far less refined carbohydrates than the typical Western diet. These foods can contribute to excessive calorie intake, weight gain, poor blood sugar control, and chronic inflammation. Inflammation isn't the cause of every painful condition, but chronic unhealthy lifestyle habits can certainly make many aches and pains and chronic diseases worse over time. One of my favorite Okinawan traditions has nothing to do with a specific food. It's called hara hachi bu. It means eating until you're 80% full. Not stuffed, not uncomfortable, just comfortably satisfied. Now this simple habit naturally helps control calories without counting every bite, and it may contribute to maintaining a healthy weight throughout your life. If you're over 40, you don't have to move to Okinawa to benefit from these principles. Try adding sweet potatoes to your meals a couple times a week. Eat more colorful vegetables, choose fish once or twice a week, add beans and tofu more often, and cook with turmeric. Cut back on ultra-processed foods and sugary drinks. And maybe slow down enough to stop eating when you're comfortably full. Small habits repeated consistently over time often produce the biggest results. Remember, living longer is only part of the goal. The real goal is maintaining the strength, mobility, and independence to enjoy those extra years doing the things you love. If you'd like help improving your mobility, reducing stiffness after 40, I put together a free guide that you can download using the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and watch this video on a 10-minute mobility routine.